I'm Allison from Math Beach. Did you know that 5 times the quantity x plus 1 is 5x plus 1? Me neither. But I do know that students will let you know about their misconceptions if you give them a chance. One of the features that I love about the way the lessons are set up in the Math Beach curriculum is that each lesson contains an exit ticket and a warm-up for just super fast, informal checks for understanding. I've got the exit tickets from 2 different Algebra 1 lessons up on the screen. We have one about simplifying linear expressions, which includes that distributing problem that we just talked about, and another one from a systems of linear equations lesson later in the course. Each of the exit tickets and warm-ups comes with a display version like you're seeing here. You can shoot it up on the screen and they can show their work, write their answer on a scrap of paper and turn it in. Or optionally, we have a 4 per page one that you can print to save paper and cut out, and each person has just a little quarter of the page that they can fill out and turn into you. And this is a really nice option, especially if you have a few students that could really use the structure and they just really need something physical in front of them and have a hard time transferring from screen to paper. This could be a really nice option for those students. If you just take their responses and sort them into a got it and a not yet pile, you have a real quick snapshot of who has got the gist of one of the key concepts from the lesson today and who maybe you need to revisit in class the next day and make sure that they are really starting to get it on day 2. Or maybe the whole class just needs another crash course at the beginning class the next day. And you do have another resource to help you do that because there is a next day warm-up in each of these lessons as well. The exit tickets and warm-ups aren't always identical. Sometimes it's a slightly different problem type, but it's getting to the heart of what are the skills that students really need to be proficient in these lessons in order to dig deeper and get to their content level skills and standards that they need to be achieving. Exit tickets and warm-ups are included with every single lesson, so if you have a guided notes page, you automatically have an exit ticket and a next day warm-up to go along with it. And another tip is that if you don't have time to do exit tickets and warm-ups, like that's not your thing, no worries. You can always print these and put them together and make a set of task cards for the unit. And so just collect all the exit tickets and warm-ups from the unit, put it in a stack, and you have a set of task cards, boom, ready to go for whenever you need a unit review. Click on the link in the description if you want to learn more about features like these in the Math Beach curriculum.